G'day guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Well, sit back and prepare to be totally blown away. Quick, there to your right. That's a Myosaura. Oh man, she's got a nest, look, with eggs in it. Did you hear that? Crikey! That sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I may come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer, but deep down, I'm a safety man. So please remain seated and keep your arms and legs in the car at all times. And talking about safety, here's my
Natürlich muss ich jetzt anfangen zu schütten.
Good job I had my belt on. It was a bit of a bumpy landing. If you're quick, look to the right over the pond. Can you see it? That's a baryonyx, and it's just caught a fish. Check out the magical waterfall ahead. It is said that this spring has been running now since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old money. This fine-looking dino is an iguanodon. Our security guy. He takes pics of everyone, then plants them on the wall in Outpost 12 for all to see. Now this is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this old disused home. Look to the left in that recess. There's an egg. Wow, look ahead guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. This is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, isn't he, eh? Check him out. Whoa, wasn't expecting that. Best get out of here.
Ich glaube, da war irgendein Animatronic aus.
It is an Albertosaurus. He originally lived in Canada over 70 million years ago. You'll note he's got a head full of sharp teeth, so probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestics, or they're bird eaters. But these two look like they've had a bit of a fallout. So in the interest of my safety, and yours of course as well, I'm going to head us out of here pronto. Well, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.
Jetzt regnet es natürlich nicht mehr. Klar. Süß.